Most men crumble under the weight of their emotions, letting people walk in and out of their lives as if their time and feelings are free commodities. They allow those who have hurt or abandoned them to return, often taking even more because they're too afraid to say no. But you're different. You've been hurt, betrayed, and left behind, yet you're not here to indulge in self-pity. You're here because you've decided to break the cycle. You've had enough, and now you're ready to understand the truth behind why they left, why they return, and how to respond as the person you're becoming. This is your moment to reclaim your peace and power. Let's explore what's truly happening when someone returns after leaving you. The first driver is guilt, a heavy and insidious emotion. But here's the hard truth: their guilt has nothing to do with you. When someone leaves, especially in the tangled dynamics of modern relationships, they rarely feel guilty right away. At first, they're convinced they've made the right choice. They walk away with confidence, maybe even arrogance, thinking you'll be fine, or worse, not caring whether you'll be fine at all. But guilt doesn't strike immediately. It creeps in slowly, like a shadow they can't escape. They thought they'd find something better, whether it was independence, attention from others, or simply the belief that you were replaceable. Initially, they may have felt unshackled, even empowered. But life doesn't unfold the way they imagined. The attention they craved feels hollow, the freedom they sought turns to loneliness, and the thrill of their choice begins to fade. Meanwhile, you're not waiting for them. You're not chasing, begging, or texting. You're moving forward, building your life and growing stronger. That's when guilt strikes. They remember your patience, your loyalty, and your unwavering support. They realize they didn't just lose a person, they lost someone irreplaceable. But don't mistake their guilt for genuine regret. It's not about the pain they caused you. It's about the discomfort they feel now that you're gone. Guilt is selfish. It's a whisper in their mind saying, "Did I make a mistake?" They see you thriving and feel the weight of their choices, but their return isn't about love or reconciliation. It's about easing their own discomfort. If you let them back in, you're not just letting them off the hook. You're giving them permission to repeat the cycle. Your boundaries, peace, and self-respect are not negotiable. Let them carry their guilt. It's theirs, not yours. Another driver is the fear of loss. This fear is primal, hardwired into human nature, but men and women experience it differently. When men fear losing someone, it often stems from genuine connection and investment. But for women, especially in modern relationship dynamics, fear of loss can be tied to control. It's not about losing you as a person, it's about losing the comfort and security you provided. They left believing they were gaining freedom and options. They thought the grass would be greener elsewhere. What they didn't realize is that the grass is greenest where it's watered. Over time, they come to see the reality of their choice. Other people don't offer the same support, care, or commitment you did. They begin to notice your growth, your strength, confidence, and resilience. What terrifies them most is not love or regret, it's the loss of control. They realize they no longer hold power in your life. Their return is often an attempt to reclaim that power, not to rebuild what was lost. If they truly valued you, they wouldn't have left. Don't let their fear manipulate you into reopening a door that was closed for a reason. Finally, we come to validation. This cuts the deepest because it reveals the harsh truth about human nature. When someone returns, it's rarely because they miss or love you. It's because they crave validation. They want to feel desired, important, and in control. When you were together, you made them feel seen and valued. After leaving, they sought to replace that feeling with superficial attention from others. But fleeting connections and empty flattery couldn't fill the void. That's when they remember you, the person who truly valued them. Their return isn't about love. It's about soothing their own insecurities. Modern relationships are often plagued by validation-seeking behaviors fueled by social media and superficial interactions. When they come back, it's not because they've changed, it's because they're seeking the emotional security you once provided. Don't let nostalgia cloud your judgment. The promises they broke, the choices they made, those are in the past. The person you are now deserves better than to be someone's second choice or emotional safety net. When they come back, remember this: guilt, fear, and validation are their burdens, not yours. They left because they couldn't see your worth. Their return doesn't reflect your value, it reflects their inability to handle your absence. Let them sit with the consequences of their actions. Your peace, growth, and self-worth are not up for negotiation. This isn't about revenge or resentment, it's about freedom. Freedom from the cycle of pain and from people who don't deserve a place in your life. This journey is about becoming the person you were always meant to be. You're not here to fix them, save them, or validate them. You're here to protect your peace and build the life you deserve. If you're ready to embrace your growth and protect your peace, join us at Digital Stoic Daily. We're here to guide you through life's challenges with clarity and purpose, helping you unlock the strength to thrive on your own terms. Subscribe now to connect with a community dedicated to self-improvement, resilience, and living life with intention. Your journey begins today. Don't let it wait another moment.